Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are on Highway 2000 East-West leg. This is the PJ Patterson Highway. This is a section from Kingston to Old Harbor. Now, if you notice, they are putting asphalt down on the road and they are doing road maintenance from Kingston all the way back to Old Harbor. Now, this road doesn't have one pothole on it. This is what you call scheduled maintenance. And this must be the only road in Jamaica that is fixed on a schedule. Every other road in Jamaica, they wait until the road gets to the point where it's probably full of potholes or impassable. Now, this is a toll road, so money is coming in to maintain the road. But this is where Jamaica needs to get with its main roads. They should never allow the main roads to get to a state at the level at which they are today. Disgraceful the way some of these roads look. Washington Boulevard does not even have a white line. Spanish Town Road. These are some of the busiest roads in Jamaica, or I should say sections of these roads. So Jamaica needs to get to a point where main roads, even if they pick the 10 busiest roads in Jamaica and maintain them on a schedule. Don't wait for potholes to form and then you patch them. We need to get to a point where we can maintain these roads. It doesn't make sense. You wait till the roads are so bad and then you find billions of dollars. Scheduled maintenance will make a huge difference. Huge. So, guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. All right, guys, have a good day.